So welcome to the practice session. In this, we are going to solve task 3, create sub-accounts with default provider and reason. So question first read properly at the end, because as per the question scenario, you have to follow the path. So in the human resource directory, create the sub-account this, description this, with the subdomain this, in the reason this. That's all. So go and click on create sub account or display name. Name of the sub account is development. So EU HCM development, and description is human resource development. Human resource development. Human resource development. Now reason Amazon Web Services AWS. So reason select AWS. Reason is done. And with the subdomain. Now come to the subdomain. Select subdomain, paste here, okay, and here global account number D252. And what about parent in the human resource directory? So parent is human resource directory. Here it is not mentioned parent. It is saying in the human resource directory, means you have to select the parent as human resource directory. Select here. Okay. And then click on create. So it will take few seconds and it will be created. So you can say under human resources, EUHCM dev is getting created. In few seconds it will be created. So just wait for few seconds. And this is question 1. Now it is created. Now what to do? Next is next question. First read completely in the human resource directory, create the sub account with subdomain using as a source sub account. Wherever source word is there now, then while creating you have to take sub account from existing sub account, then only source will come. What is the source sub account here? EUHCM dev. EUHCM dev is the source sub account. Select it. Source sub account. Okay. Now EUHCM test. Select it. EUHCM test. Okay. And description. Human resource testing. Human resource testing. Reason is automatically picked by source sub account. Subdomain we have to give. Control C, Control A, Control V, and here D252. D252. Okay. Account Explorer. Now, used for production or what? It is not given anything. See in the human here the sub account this, description this, with the subdomain this, using as used in production or development, it is not given. So I am not going to select production because name is testing. Let it be. Click on create. So new sub account is getting created under source sub account. EUHCM dev is the source sub account. So type is sub account, but source is also sub account. That's why while creating we have selected the second option, sub account from existing sub account. Wherever source sub account is mentioned, you have to select second one, sub account from existing sub account. Now it's been created under human resource directory. Now question third, in the human resource directory create the sub account description with subdomain, okay, using this as a source sub account, and set the source sub account is there. What to do? Select second option, sub account from existing sub account, because source is there. And what is the source? EUHCM dev. Go here, take EUHCM dev is the source. Select it. Now go to the name, EUHCM production. EUHCM production. Now description. While copy and paste, be aware of a space mistake. Here you click that space like that. And subdomain. Subdomain. Subdomain means D252. Okay, subdomain number. In the human resource directory. So directory is human resource, already it is selected. Directory is human resource directory. And it is saying set the sub account as used in production. Used in production. Now click on create. So it's been created. So it's getting created. Now you'll see production, EUHCM, human resource management production is getting created under the directory human resources, where source sub account is EUHCM dev. Now it's been created. So this is how we can complete question number 3 here. So what we have done, we have created EUHCM dev, first question. Second question, EUHCM test, this one. And third question, we have EUHCM production. So dev, test and production, these are the sub account which is created under human resource directory. Okay. In next session, we'll resolve few more practice questions.